Hello and welcome to High Foodtrucks. Today I welcome you to check out this beautiful little trailer that we are shipping to Jackson Hole, Wyoming. This one is 14 foot long, 8.5 foot wide and 7 foot tall. It is for a resort up in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. It's going to operate on top of mountaintops. So, ski slopes I mean. So it's heavily insulated as with all our trailers. What I just showed you is the generator box. The customer is actually going to install their own generator inside. So we're going to leave that empty. But we install the slides and everything, of course. You can see there is a hood fan with a grease catch pan. So the grease doesn't run down the side of the truck trailer and make it look ugly. Beautiful black theme throughout. Of course, there is a 5-foot window with self-closing window, that is. Right in the front is two 40-pound tanks in its own cage, which is ventilated, of course. All the propane goes under the floor of the trailer. So let's say 15-20 years from today, there is a leak, it leaks outside. It's right now connected to shore power to our building. That's how you would fill water, that's how you would drain water. Let's go see inside. Oh, before I do that, these are LED lights, of course. On the inside, trailer is all stainless. Inside the wall is 1.5 inch of insulation, 9/16 inch of plywood, making it nice and toasty inside, or cool in the winter. Because as always, every piece of equipment is in its own breaker, and each equipment is labeled. All the wiring is inside these conduits, protecting them from any damage. K series fire extinguisher, ABC series fire extinguisher, both of them tagged, of course. The pull station is also tagged. Soap and towel dispensers, hand wash sink, 3-compartment sink. That is the fire suppression system itself, the big bottle, also tagged. As for the equipment, a fryer, 2-burner stove, griddle, sandwich prep, which is 36 inches, refrigerator. This can pretty much cook everything they need with all the equipment inside. Floors are aluminum diamond plate, walls are all stainless steel, and between the walls you see these trims preventing any grease from going inside. You can see each equipment has a drop for fire suppression. Between the walls and the floor is a curve base. You can actually see the gas lines coming up from the top, from the bottom, that is. All the gas lines themselves are Kevlar. They are not steel braided, because steel braided hoses, the steel itself will cut into them eventually, making them, damaging them eventually. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful little trailer that we are shipping to Jackson Hole, Wyoming. If you have any questions, or if you would like a truck or trailer like this yourself, do contact us through our website, zionsfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.